Good morning.
My name is Jai Hongqi. I come from Beijing. I'll talk about short story from Bhutan. Its title is the snake. The snake tears and his and him. The snake one the tails have a five pieces and the tail says you left me for a long time. Now the tails want to be a leader. The he says I must be a leader because I have eyes and mouth. I have eyes and mouth. So, and then okay. Eyes and mouth, and the taste says eyes. Without me, you can go anywhere. Whatever you want to go, you can go. And then the tails grab the plants of trees or the branches of tree, and don't let's go. Yeah, let's go. And then he's give up and he's give up, and then he's didn't want to help the tails, and then the tail can see anywhere where they go, and then is fall down in a fire piece, and the parents. So we want to show about we don't need to fight with each other. We need to help each other. Thank you for listening.